Check out this 2004 Kia Sedona. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power mirrors, power steering, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, independent suspension. Call today to schedule a test drive.